Hey guys, I'm Alex Ong from Mr. Tax and we are going to unbox the first 108 megapixel smartphone, Mi Note 10 Pro, in this video. In the box, you will find Mi Note 10 Pro, some documents that you will not read, rubber case, USB-A to USB-C cable, and charger. Xiaomi is kind enough to include a 30-watt charger in the box for you to enjoy faster charging time. At the front, you will find the 6.47-inch 1080p 3D curved AMOLED display with HDR support. Please correct me if I'm wrong, but this is the first Xiaomi smartphone with curved display available in Malaysia. You will find the 32-megapixel selfie camera at the dot notch. At the back, you will find the Penta camera with 108-megapixel main camera. At the bottom, you will find the single speaker, USB-C port, and 3.5mm headphone jack. At the right, you will find the power and volume buttons and the dual nano SIM card slot. At the left, you will not find anything. At the top, you will find the IR blaster. That is all for this unboxing video. Remember to subscribe to Mr. Tax for the review of the Mi Note 10 Pro. If you like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. See you on the next video.